Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com, thechrisvossshow.com. Hey, we're coming here with another product from Divoom, or Divoom, however you want to pronounce this thing. You can look it up on the web. We'll have the address for you here in a sec. This is their Timebox-Mini, inspired by light and sound Bluetooth Pixel Chat speaker. So, this thing's pretty interesting. It's got stunning sound, a 5-watt audio power, DSP processor, full acoustic speaker, professionally tuned, and let's see, comes with an app, of course, you can use from the Apple iPhone Store or the Google Play, and it's got a flash 128 megabytes memory, I believe that is, programmable LED, software updates, 2500 milliamp hours, 16 million RGB colors, and a processor 296 megahertz. So what this is designed to do is make it so you can make really cool colors here. We reviewed a product of theirs that's very similar to this, I think the normal time box. We're very impressed with them, so be sure to watch for that review on the Chris Voss Show. Let's see, you can see how this goes in, comes right out of the box. We'll set this aside. Looks like we've got instructions there. So we'll set that over here. And pull the little unit out. Open it up. And away you go. So it looks like on the back here we've got plugs for charging, and then looks like a auxiliary out and auxiliary in. So maybe you can use this as a from one speaker to another, but it looks like there's maybe a speaker grill on the back. Across the top we've got buttons for plus and minus, looks like a little microphone hole and a plus symbol. Around the side we've got a power button and a, looks like maybe a brightness button. I'll have to see what that's about. You've got the other here side just says Divoom, and then here you've just got the bottom part. Looks like we've got a screen protector that we'll pull off, so we'll go ahead and remove that baby. Set that aside, and there's your little screen. Let's see if we can fire this baby up while we're sitting here. Sounds like we've got some sound. You can see the little heart thing there, I think. And it looks like it's going through a Bluetooth pairing sort of mode, so it wants to pair with Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and see if we can pull this baby off as we're going along. Pair with our AT&T Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, which we definitely love. So that's pairing. We'll see what happens next. Sounds like it paired. I just heard a pa-ching. Looks like it's showing us the time of 10:14 according to this. But you kind of get an idea as to how this works. I believe this button will change, I guess, through the different things. Oh wow, that's kind of cool. Check that out. Hubba hubba. It's kind of like a dance party. And that's kind of cool too. And then there's something. I love you, I guess that says. I heart you. And then we're back to 10:14, so you can see as we scroll through some of these things what the different dealios are. Do we go through them all? Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll test this out, come back and tell you what we really think. Inside the other box, looks like we just have a USB cable and an audio in cable. So we'll play with that, find out how much more about this works, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so you can kind of see it here in action where you can use the app to put different graphics on the unit. It's pretty darn cool. 16 million RGB colors you can take and utilize with this. It's got programmable LED, of course, with all your pixel art that it comes with. It's continuously updated, so it can update over the internet, all that good stuff. And it's got a 2500 mAh battery, so you can have up to 8 hours of playtime with it. Output on the speakers is 5 watts. It's got Bluetooth 4.0 with signal to noise ratio of 78 dB, and frequency response is 6220 hertz, or 20,000 hertz, excuse me. It just looks good and rocks, and it's pretty fun with 121 LED buttons on it. And you can pick your favorite color. Comes in, looks like about 7 different colors that you can take and get this in. So very fun, very cool. You can, of course, design your own if you want, so you can get creative, make your own animation. And there's thousands of online pixel galleries that you can take and choose from. Wonderful dancing lights, wonderful beat matching, mood lighting, sleep aid, mini games you can take and play, pixel chat, weather report, time planner, voice memo. There just seems to be an endless amount of stuff you can do with this baby. So I highly recommend it. Go to Divoom.com. That's Divoom.com. Tell them Chris Voss saying, yeah, Chris Voss tested, Chris Voss approved. Oh, hi. Hi, you watched that video all the way through? Good for you. You're a big boy now. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. You can click on any of the videos that surround me, and if there aren't any, you might want to check if you've been drinking. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us. See you next time. I think they've been drinking.